Now, flip your front palm, and as you inhale, reverse your warrior. So reach that right hand back, feel the left fingers reaching along the left leg. And as you exhale, come right into a side angle pose. So your forearm, your right forearm may come to your right thigh, or the right fingers may come down to the floor outside the right foot, and your left arm is reaching forward. So again, we'll just establish the pose before we flow through it. Okay. Strengthen that back leg. Feel the energetics. Take another breath. And this time when you exhale, just let the left hand come down to the floor. And like we did on the last sequence, step the right foot back to a plank pose, gently lower. Inhale to upward dog or cobra. And exhale back to downward facing dog.